What if the safety you've always relied on is actually the biggest trap of all? Imagine a life where the comfort of a steady paycheck slowly tightens chains around your freedom, limiting your time, money, and true potential. Today, we challenge the notion that a fixed salary is secure and reveal the hidden dangers of financial dependency. Let's begin with a hard truth. A salary promises safety, but in reality, it creates dependency. From the moment you sign into work, you are locked into a cycle where your value is measured in hours. Your household, your lifestyle, even your confidence all depend on that monthly credit. A single disruption, a momentary lapse, or the specter of automation, and life as you know it could come to a grinding halt. This is not security. It is vulnerability masked as comfort. Consider the hours you trade for money. While you might invest 8 or 10 hours a day, selling your time, the true architects of wealth are not confined by the clock. They sell systems, ownership, assets, and above all, value. Your ability to break free from the time for money exchange is fundamental. A fixed salary keeps you busy, but it rarely leads to genuine financial intelligence or lasting wealth. Instead, it lulls you into a state of complacency where every minute is accounted for, yet no step is taken toward creative freedom or financial growth. The illusion deepens as you start to earn more. With a salary, higher income almost always means rising expenses. Lifestyle inflation sets in. A bigger raise leads to a bigger house, a larger car, and more obligations, not an increased net worth. Even before you see the fruits of your labor, taxes have already claimed their share, leaving you with what can feel like a meager reward for all your hard work. This cycle is a recipe for continued financial stagnation, rather than the breakthrough you might imagine. Worse still, the constant reassurance of a salary teaches you to avoid taking risks. The very system that promises stability ends up quelling the adventurous spirit necessary for growth. In this environment, risk becomes synonymous with danger and failure. Yet every path to success demands a willingness to embrace uncertainty. The brave understand that growth lies at the edge of risk. Over time, this dependence on a fixed paycheck not only curbs financial ambition, but also programs the mind into a state of submission. You learn to seek permission, follow orders, and become a cog in a vast machine. This mental conditioning stifles creativity and independent thinking, leaving little room to dream beyond the boundaries of your job description. The cycle of monthly comfort morphs into a psychological trap, where relief on payday quickly gives way to anxiety as the month comes to an end. And now, with the rapid rise of automation and artificial intelligence, the very foundation of traditional employment is under threat. Machines do not negotiate salaries or offer the human touch that reassures you on payday. Their efficiency and relentless precision render many roles obsolete. In an era where technology increasingly dominates, clinging to a single salary can be a dangerous gamble with your future. So what is the way out of this trap? It's time to reframe your mindset and see your salary not as a destination but as a tool, a stepping stone toward greater financial freedom. Begin by mastering high-income skills that open doors to multiple income streams. Invest in yourself, learn how to create value that transcends the clock, and build real assets that accrue wealth over time. Embrace the discipline of financial intelligence and use every paycheck as a seed for your future investments, not as a fixed resource to be exhausted. Remember, comfort may keep you calm today, but control decides your future. Choose to diversify your income, to take measured risks, and to build a portfolio of assets that free you from the limitations of a single salary. Your journey toward true financial autonomy starts with a single, decisive step. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more insightful information on financial freedom.